Youth is the backbone of any nation. Youth can play an important role in the development of any society. But unfortunately, this young and able workforce are damaging their future by wasting time. So our today's talk show is also based on the same question, that why are youngsters in Pakistan wasting their time? Now before going into detail, I would like to introduce myself and my guests. I am Nihal Khan. On my left is Miss Arisha. She is a very brilliant student. And on her left is Miss Mariam. She is a very energetic student. And in the last is Miss Raviha. She is a very outstanding student. And we all are from TLC advanced level. So Miss Mariam, I would like to ask you that why are there any reasons that why are youngsters in Pakistan wasting their time?
Yeah, there are so many reasons that youngsters in Pakistan waste their time. Like parents have given the children so much access and they don't even ask to their children that what are they doing. They call themselves open-minded, but in my point of view, it's just carelessness. And if the parents have enough money, so their children usually waste it in a cheap things that will not benefit them anywhere.
Yeah, you are totally right, Miss Mariam. And another reason can be that maybe some people life has no purpose. That's why they are wasting their precious time. Because I can't say that they don't know the importance of time. Because everyone knows the importance of time, whether they are literate or illiterate.
Very well said.
They are wasting their precious time because they haven't any guideline.
Very well said, Miss Raviha and Miss Mariam. Now I would like to move on to Miss Arisha. What do you think, Miss Arisha? How are they wasting their time?
Well, if you ask me, I would say that by being disorganized, having no timetable, gossiping and mostly surfing to the social media, they waste their most of time. Yeah, she's totally right. And there are so many entertainment apps like TikTok, YouTube and Facebook. They are just destroying the youngsters, and it just not waste the time, but also it causes depression and suicide cases which are increasing in our society day by day.
That's very true. So, Miss Raviha, what do you think? Are there any preventions so that the youngsters in Pakistan do not waste their time?
Well, first of all, I'm very thankful to you, Mr. Nihal, that you have invited me in your show and introducing me as an outstanding student, and also TLC that they provide us this platform to show our views. By the way, there are many ways to avoid wasting time. If someone teaches them time management and gives them guidance, nowadays big problem is that our youngers they are a lot of time on social media. They can't say that they should not be on social media because it has disadvantages, so it also has advantages. It also has advantages, so we can't stop using it, but we need a solution, and time management is the best solution of this problem.
Absolutely, Mr. Diya. But the best way to stop postponing jobs of children is to clear all the distractions from their place of work, like phone, tablets, computers and many other devices.
Exactly. If you take these measures, so not only youngsters but everyone won't waste their time. Now the last question I would like to ask Miss Mariam. What do you think the government is doing to stop youngsters from wasting time?
Well, I think government is doing nothing much to stop the youngsters from wasting their time because there are no time management courses available in Pakistan, and there are no career counseling units here, and as there is no proper guideline for students, but I think government should do something and should take some important steps to stop the children to waste their time.
True, I strongly agree with you all. So in our today's talk show, we discussed about the reasons and ways by which the youngsters are wasting their time and also got some solutions. So that makes us to the end of our talk show. I hope you like it. Thank you.